some of the things I didn't mention during the video that I should have. Bacon was pre-cooked. I fried it up in a pan. Not too shabby. It was on the sides, only 3 rashers. The white sauce was flour, butter, milk and mustard. And that actually helped it be a bit more creamy, so that was nice, and I should have mentioned it beforehand. And I think that's about it. Was there anything else I didn't mention? Mise en place. Mise en place, that's what I meant to say. So for the first time in probably a long time, I actually did some mise en place, which means everything in its place. French word, don't know why I use a French word. Anyway, it's a French word. So, and you can actually see I did have everything ready. So I had the sauce, I had the bacon, I grated the cheese. So it wasn't a complete mess and a disaster zone, which is fairly normal when I'm cooking. But so pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed the video, which is coming up now, because these are things I didn't mention in the video. So I'm going to go away and do some editing now. I've had a cup of tea. I'm probably a hobnob. Yeah, I think I'll have a hobnob. Perfect. Speak to you later. Ta-da. Welcome back, Ian. We're going to attempt to make a new, for me anyway, toasted cheese sandwich. I love a toasted cheese sandwich. I love bacon. I thought I'd try and make a little bit of like a roux, hollandaise style, put it on the top so if it makes it creamier. We've got a little bit of sriracha chili sauce, obviously bread and some cheese. So we'll bring it over, see if we can take a better look. Can you see that better? I hope so. I've only got me, so no cameraman, so struggling a bit today. Right, let's get rock and rolling. So I'll see if I can stand this side so we can see a little better. You never know, it may work, may not work. Let's get her on. Nice induction hob. Let it get nice and hot. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the camera in a little bit so you can see me load it up. Alright, cheers. Okay, so pan's warm. We're going to start with the bread. I'm going to put a little bit of white sauce on here. It's got mustard in it and just cheese and butter really. Cheese and butter? Butter and flour really. So we're done here, right? Pop them in. Little sizzle. Ease the heat off a bit. Give ourselves some bit of cheese. Like this. Lovely looking. I've got a little bit in the pan, didn't mean to do that. A little bit more in the pan, still didn't mean to do that. A little more cheese. Good job. So the rest is bacon in. And your spoon. This is sriracha chili sauce. I'll show you in a minute. It's lovely stuff. I really like it. That didn't go so well, but we're alright. So we'll put a little bit of cheese on top of the bacon, because what it does is it helps it sort of sink in and sort of stick. Right? Then I'll put it around the wrong way, accidentally by the way, because I'm panicking because I've got camera. So we'll take this cheese off. Nothing I can do about it. Right, we'll let it cook away. That was daft, wasn't it? That was daft. Imagine putting it around the wrong way. What one idiot. Anyway, we'll be fine, I hope. So you should be able to see cooking away. Slurping me coffee, and we'll give it a flip in a second. Hopefully the battery lasts. I'm a bit panicky really because I haven't charged the battery on the Nikon, which was a bit daft. So let's see. Let's clear this up a bit. Move this out of the way while it's cooking away. See if we can get a bit of a zoom in. So zoomed in a bit. I'm going to attempt to turn it over in a sec. See how we're doing. Let's have a look. Don't even know where my little spatula is, so that's a bit of a pain in the backside. I don't know where it is. Let me get that. Yep, we're looking good. Give it a push. Good, right? Looking good. So we're still cooking away. Won't be long, it'll be done. I'm going to prep this side and then we'll lay it on the platter that we started with. Did the bread was on. Cut it up. Right. Let's have a look, see how we're doing. Not bad. Right, I'm going to turn it up just to give it a bit of a different colour now. Get your coffee, and we'll slice it in 3, serve it on a plate. I'll take some pictures. All we good. Who knows? I could just hear it sizzling away. Won't be long. It don't take long to do, to be honest, but I do like them. Right, let's have another look. Yeah, look. Right, I'm going to zoom in so we can look at the colour in the pan. Right, out she comes. Cut her up. Switch off. Pop her on there. So, I didn't mention it during the video. I did mention the sauce, but I didn't mention what sauce. I said I'd show you. This is it. It's Sriracha sauce by Mr. Vikas. Fantastic stuff. Really nice flavour. Worked perfectly in the sandwich, which I'm pleased to say. So that's the sauce. Perfect. Moved the camera a little bit, so just to prove it's really good. Bacon's nice. You get a little hint of those Sriracha sauce come through. Vikas. Chili sauce is awesome, really good, lovely, and it's my breakfast, so can't be bad. So maybe I'll do another one, maybe I won't, depends if you like it, depends if you don't. Anyway, maybe see you soon. Take it easy. Ta-da. I like sandwiches.